All right, so here's the 85-ton Van Dorn. This is 85HT 5-ounce, 1997. 0833 is the serial number. And pump's running right now. This is the cabinet. It does have a brand new keypad on it. Here's our temp page, clamp, injection, production monitor. All right. There's your ejector. We're going to go over to the injection unit. Drive the carriage forward. Drive it back. Just give you a little walk around here. Does have your core pull lines right there. Robot interface plug there. So I know it kind of looks like the screen is flashing on my phone, but it's not. It's nice and solid. All right, there we go.